Hello, welcome back, cryptocurrency market, and you're looking at the Bitcoin. And I'm following up on the Bitcoin. We have a bullish position actually. It's not a big one because we wait for the final confirmation with regards to the next bullish run. Right now, it looks like something is starting, which looks pretty positively. I have to say, we had that head and shoulders pattern at the bottom of that last downside move, right? We had that left shoulder head and right shoulder, which was broken out on the upside. That was good news. But I did say very specifically that until we break out of this particular level, take a look, 9332, the risk of still being in a bearish market, as far as I'm concerned, still going to be high. Right? Just once we cross that level, once we break that level, genuinely break that level, I will feel very confident to build up a serious position going forward. So right now we have a kind of a medium-sized position with our, this particular level, 9332, right on our focus as the main target, right, as a price target. So we're going to take a lot of the profit that we've made here so far. Hopefully we'll get there. We will take probably 50 to 70% out of the position, right? We want to be slim once we engage with that level. That could be a very significant resistance. Now you can see price did violate that level from a daily perspective, but it's not the case when you look at the monthly chart. So the daily is it's not very respectful for that setup. But if you look at the monthly chart, it's definitely a different story. Take a look. So we're talking about that level again, 9332, right? So you can see here, take a look at these spikes. This is just this is a spike show, basically. We had a second spike here, right? Price went back, closed above. Then it did break it. That was a decisive break, right? But from that point on, once it did break it, it never looked back, right? So that was a huge pivotal point. Price did actually try to break back, but it failed, right? That was in April. May was even a bigger failure because it had a bigger spike, meaning it was trading well inside of that setup for nice portion of that month, but ended up right outside of it, which is huge, in terms of technical analysis indication here. And from that point on, price really did not look back and just completely crashed and basically broke away, right? Broke away, kept breaking away from that level significantly, even taking the previous low. Right now, it shows some resilience on the upside. I have to say some surprising resilience because the rest of the market is not so bullish as the Bitcoin itself. The Bitcoin is really is really outperforming the rest of the coins at this point. But we do feel that there's a very good chance that price will just engage yet again with that 9332 level, even if it's not going to break it, even if we're going to have that type of move again, where price will dip into the 6,000 and maybe even below. But it's still, I feel that it's still gonna need that fuel by touching base with that 9332. That will give it a strong thrust downwards, so it will actually be able to fulfill that long-term bearish conviction. Obviously, if we'll have a breakout, a positive breakout, everything will change, and I'll be very bullish on the long-term perspective. Alright guys, that's about that for the Bitcoin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.